Hi everyone, welcome back to English Step by Step. Today we're going to look at something most students struggle with in their narrative essays: how to end the story properly. Many students can create conflict, but they don't know how to resolve it. They either end too suddenly, and with luck, or end with something completely unrelated to the conflict. So in this lesson I'll show you the 4 types of resolutions, how to link your ending to the character's growth, sentence starters you can use, and activities you can practice at home. Let's get started. A resolution is how the main problem of your story is solved, or not solved. It's the moment that gives your story meaning. It's where the character learns something, changes, or finally confronts the problem they've been avoiding. For IGCSE, your ending must be logical, satisfying, and connected to the conflict you started with. Most students only think of happy ending or sad ending. But there are actually 4 effective types of resolutions. 1. The successful resolution. The character overcomes the challenge through effort, courage, or cleverness. Example: after weeks of practicing, Maya steps onto the stage. Her hands are shaking, but she performs beautifully. For the first time, she believes she's capable. This is the most common type, but it must come from the character's actions, not luck. 2. The partial success/partial failure. The outcome isn't perfect, but the character gains something valuable. Example: Jared doesn't win the competition, but the moment he sees his father applauding, he realizes he has won something far more meaningful. This is excellent for IGCSE because it feels realistic and mature. 3. The problem unsolved. Emotional resolution. The conflict remains, but the character grows emotionally or mentally. Example: Lena never finds her brother, but she finally understands she must continue living her life. This type works well for reflective or emotional stories. 4. The twist ending. An unexpected but logical ending that changes the reader's understanding. Example: the voice helping the protagonist turns out to be their future self. Use this only if you can make it believable. A resolution is not just what happens, it's about how the character changes. Ask yourself, what did the character learn? How did the conflict change them? What emotion do they end with? For example, if the conflict is fear of public speaking, maybe the ending shows the character speaking up to protect a friend. The story ends with the character discovering courage they didn't know they had. This emotional layer is what examiners love. One common mistake is ending with luck. Suddenly the police came and saved us. Thankfully, someone called my mom. These endings feel weak because the character didn't do anything. A strong ending must follow cause and effect. Problem, attempts, final action, result, emotion. Example: the police found them because Aiden used his last 2% battery to send their location. The character's choice leads to the resolution. Here are some sentence starters students can use immediately. Action-based endings. With one final push, at that moment, I realized the only way out was to, summoning every bit of courage Emotional endings. Looking back, I understood that. It wasn't the ending I wanted, but in that silence, something inside me shifted. Twist endings. Only later did I realize that if I had looked closer, I would have noticed. When the truth hit me, everything made sense. Let me show you a short example of a strong resolution. Conflict. A boy is terrified of swimming, but his dog falls into the river. Resolution. My stomach clenched as I looked at the water. I had avoided swimming for years, but this time, something mattered more than my fear. I plunged in. The cold swallowed me, but I kicked hard, grabbed Max's collar, and pushed towards the bank. When we finally collapsed on the grass, shivering and soaked, I realized something remarkable. I was braver than I had ever believed. This ending solves the conflict, shows growth, brings emotional closure. Here are 3 activities. Activity 1. Write only the resolution. Lost in a forest. Best friend betrays them. Trapped in a lift. Activity 2. Fix weak endings. Weak endings. Then I woke up. My mom saved me. Everything was fine in the end. Rewrite each into a proper resolution using cause and effect. Activity 3. 2 endings, 1 conflict. Write 1. A happy/successful ending. 2. A partial failure ending for the same conflict. And that's how to write strong, meaningful resolutions in your narrative essays. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to English Step by Step for more IGCSE English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.